When you want to attach a video to a post, it's easier. You can just write the link within the post, but this way it's going to be a bit more attractive. What you're going to do is choose the group that you intend to send the post to. Then you're going to write the message. In this case, I'm writing the instructions just to watch the video, because we're going to discuss it later in class. Then, as you see, I have another tab open. You're going to open that tab. You're going to copy the link, and you're going to paste it in Edmodo, where you see the chains. As submenu opens, you copy, just click on the field below, you click accept, and then you send the message, the post, to your students. As you see, there in a few seconds you have a complete image with the link to the video. You open the video and you see what you said.
This is the hottest for the season.
Okay. No.
It's a little too busy.
Too purple. Too short. Too hot.
Yeah, that's new.
Okay. I think my mom wore this. This is great. Blue. Where do I sign?
You just did.